Do you know how to do a Tabata set? I'll teach you how right now. You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. I like to spend a couple minutes warming up just at a regular pace, and then I get into my intervals, 30 seconds, 20 as hard as possible, 10 rest, and repeat that 8 times for a total of 4 minutes. And that's a Tabata. Let's get into it. Remember, a total of 30 seconds per set for 20 as hard as possible, and instead of rest, I do 10 easy here. I repeat that 8 times for a total of 4 minutes, and you can do the same and follow along either with a cardio exercise like biking or even something like kettlebell swings, and they're fun. So if you need equipment like the suspension trainer or trainer for your bike, which I used in the video, you can check out the links in the description. Also, I'm making fitness plans, so drop me an email, and the email is in the description. Live longer, feel better, and life to your years. So if you enjoyed that, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay updated on me, as well as get a whole bunch of fitness and nutrition advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a link to some videos I think you might be interested in, and the next little bit, so check those out.